Today, we're going to make white sugar cake, Bai Tang Gao. Our Bai Tang Gao is going to be very fluffy, very bouncy, super delicious. And the best part is very easy to make with only a few ingredients. To proofing the yeast, in a bowl, add the warm water. The water temperature should be between 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Add tip dry yeast. Add sugar. Whisk and rest for 10 minutes. To create a rice flour mixture in a large container, mix together the rice flour and 1 cup of water. Set aside. To make the sugar and water mixture, in a small pot over medium heat, place in 3/4 cup of water and sugar. Stir until dissolved and bring it to a boil. To create the batter, pour the sugar and water mixture in the rice flour mixture. Whisk until it becomes a smooth batter. Let it cool until lukewarm. Pour the yeast mixture into the batter. Mix well. Cover the container. To make the batter ferment faster, preheat an oven to the lowest temperature setting for 1 minute and turn it off. Place a pot of boiling water at the bottom rack. Also put the batter at the middle rack. The temperature inside the oven is at about 95 degrees Fahrenheit, and close the oven door. But if you live in a hot and humid place, you can totally skip this part. Ferment the batter until large bubbles are shown on the surface. 1 hour. In a heat-proof container, in my case, is a 9-inch round cake pan. Coat it with about half teaspoons of avocado oil on it. Add the baking powder to the batter. Pour the batter into the heat-proof container. To steam, in a large steamer over high heat, bring it to a boil. Place the container in the steamer. Cover the lid and steam until completely cooked through, about 25 minutes. Turn off the heat. Rest for 5 minutes before uncovering the lid. Cool down for another 15 minutes. Once it has cooled down, it will be easily removed from the container. absolutely enjoy making and eating today's Bai Tang Gao. It is really delicious, slightly sweet. It has a really interesting texture. It's like honey caramel, like a sponge. Super bouncy and fluffy and moist. It's just so good. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe and thumbs up. I will see you again next week for another awesome episode. Bye!